What's up, y'all? This is Major. Just doing a quick video on our little DIY greenhouse on our enclosed porch. So it's a little messy right now. We've been moving stuff. The porch is pretty good size. So we just used a portion of it actually to do the project. And basically all I did was got a 2x4 down there, some plastic sheeting, got my staple gun out, and I just stapled up the plastic and created this little space here where we can keep our growing season going. So basically all I did was, because it's winter time and it's getting cooler, temperatures are dropping, uh, we just put this plastic up, made a little greenhouse, got some grow lights up there, strung those up. Gonna get another set to connect to the connector, and then put another set probably on this side. But this stuff here, this is basil. My wife is growing a lot of different types of vegetables. There's some aloe. She's got some other little seedlings going. We use all kinds of resources. So these are from old candles. You know how the candles, you use the whole candle and then you have this little glass left? Well, she puts dirt in there and then grows seedlings in there, and then we'll transfer those outside in the spring or early spring. So it's a little cluttery out here. We got a lot of stuff going on, but she's got some stuff growing here. I put this quick stand together with some wood that I got from the dump, believe it or not. I got a bunch of boards like this and a bunch of, those are like 8x8 pieces. And so I just drilled together real quick a nice little stand for her out of those. Got all that for free the other day. And there's my daughter's beach toys, so excuse those. But we're going to have more plants in here, more seedlings. More stuff's going to be going on in here, because you can grow all year as long as you keep that cold out. And if you keep some sunlight in there, as long as you got power and you got some growing lights, you'll be able to grow stuff in a small space right on your front porch. Now we got more room to grow out back on the other side, but I just decided to just do this small space first. She'll probably put another stand right here along the plastic, and she's going to actually hang more plants on this end. And I'm thinking about these metal brackets that we have. Believe it or not, they're just stuff that Tractor Supply threw out. So she turned them sideways. They normally stand up and down, where they're a lot taller. And there's the base, the feet are down there, and then this end normally stands up like it would actually touch the ceiling. So what she did was turn two of them on their sides, and then we had some of this this material we bought at a garage sale. You're supposed to like drill those to the wall, and you can hang stuff off of these wires to, to better organize your stuff, storage stuff. But instead of using it for that, we bought that set for like $5. Instead of using it for that, she's just putting these and making them like tabletops, sort of, for the plants to sit down on top of. And then she kind of decorated. My 3-year-old put some butterflies up there. So I guess they can help with pollinating the plants. She's got her little butterflies up there. But anyway, this was just a real quick video on, hey, you can make things work. You can put stuff together where you can still grow food in the winter and in a small space and indoors, utilizing what you have. All you need are some grow lights, some pots, and some dirt and some fertilizer, and you could be growing stuff right there in your house on your front porch. These are cool plants because these basil leaves we eat with a lot of stuff. My wife's Vietnamese, so we eat basil. We eat a lot of different kinds of plants that most people would consider to be just a plant for ornamental. No, a lot of this stuff is food. My wife takes the aloe vera. She'll take the green off the outside, the skin off the outside, and just there's the clear gel on the inside. She'll dice it up, add a little sugar in the raw, and add some chia seeds to it, and we drink like this herbal aloe vera drink with these little, they look like little jello cubes. Basically it's just aloe cut up into cubes and then softened up, because you know aloe's got a real bitter taste. But there again, like you'll hear me say in some of my other videos, anything that you can eat that's natural, that is edible, that has a bitter taste, it's bitter for a reason. Bitter is better for your health. Sweeter is not so much better for your health. It's okay, but it's not. Most of your fruits overseas have a somewhat sugary, semi-sugary taste. In America, however, it's super sugary. When I go travel overseas, the fruits don't have as much sugar as I taste in American fruit. So that goes to show you not all fruit is the same all over the world. So anyway, with some stuff that we got given to us, those shelves, some stuff from Tractor Supply, which I have a ton of metal stuff from Tractor Supply stored up. Check with the Tractor Supply near you. They have pallets and wood and different kinds of metal stands and stuff that they just throw out. They'll just give it to you. I went to the dump to dump some stuff, and there was a whole load of wood pieces like this. So I just asked them, could I load them up after I dumped what I was dumping? They were like, yeah, you know, get it out of here. So I started loading up. I don't know what this is like. This isn't 2x6. This is like 2x12 stuff. Thick wood, heavy. And it was just free. And then all I did was put the two legs under there and drilled them to the top. Made a quick stand for the growing. But anyway, quick video, DIY. This is our quick DIY front porch garden center. You could call it a greenhouse if you like, but whatever it is, we're gonna grow some vegetables in here and keep practicing our self-sufficiency and keep promoting good health by growing our own veggies. And that's all we eat anyway is vegetable stuff. We're vegan. So if this helps anybody get motivated, I hope it does. Start doing your thing, getting your own food sources, and all it takes is a little time, a little money, and you can do a lot. And if you like this video, just hit the like button. If you don't like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And this is Major signing off again. Peace.